This week,
we're gonna introduce more things we bought. Okay, so there are many interesting things. I can't wait to share with you guys.
This video we have bag, watches, and
accessories.
It will be like mix something
More
else.
diversity thing.
Yeah. If you haven't watched our video for last unboxing one, please go to check it.
Let's go!
Let's go! Zadig over Gaza.
Zadig and Voltaire. Okay, this is my bag. I like it.
You can always
Okay, this is a green leather clutch. I can take off the chain here and it can be an only handbag like this.
Okay.
The clutch here. And then there are two magnets here. I can magnet like that. And one zip inside, so it means I have two. One and two. But it's quite flat.
Can I put my camera in your bag? And she'll say,
Even my lipstick, it will be like a pregnant bag, you know.
Pregnant bag.
Yeah, so it fit with card holder or phone or some tissue paper. Because since I came here, I saw many people wear this one. Many. But in Asia, I never seen this.
Yeah, in Asia, I never seen it.
I never seen this brand. So I was like, oh, okay. Because at first, I was so impressed by the logo here. The logo is very beautiful.
The logo is like a wings.
Yeah.
A pair of wings.
Yeah, it's cool.
Have a
And I was like,
diamond on it.
Oh my god! And there are two chains here, like a short one and a long one, and I can hang like these, like this one. Crossbody. It's like accessory here. It's cool.
Wow, so useful. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, it's so worth it. Oh my gosh. It's 100 cow leather. Smells so good.
It's real leather. Very useful and very practical, durable. I like it. Next one.
Very good.
Next one. Laphont washes.
I really love this one. Oh my gosh.
I know this one because of him. It's Taiwanese brand?
Nah, it's a brand from Canada. Mine is the square one, and her is a round one here. And you can see the watches are melted because it's inspired by the Salvador Dali painting.
I think some people know.
Yeah, of course, he's famous, right?
Yeah.
But the size is the small size. We both buy the small one because our arms are
Wrists are small. Yeah. There's two sides of the strap. I
Yeah.
got the thin one.
Yeah, I got the white one.
You got
can
the bigger one.
Yeah, I like the color here. Is a green and a white one. They also have a salmon pink and the black one, I remember. But I like the white one, it's very classic. And I will change the leather band, I think. I want to change to a brown one. Yeah, they have brown one, but it's sold out. Thank you, I appreciate you play with me.
You're welcome. But why you wear on the right?
Oh yeah, she asked me.
Why?
I know, I guess with right hand.
Because normally, okay, example, I'm right-handed.
Yeah, you.
I write here and I wash here.
Yeah. I know.
So it's weird. You
Because
use on the right.
Because I think when I use my left hand to wear watches, it's more easier. So I always like to like this. I really love their boxes. So cute, you know, very cute. Is the elephant on
I
it?
just see there are two colors.
Yeah, they have two colors.
Oh. Next
one.
My Levi jacket.
Levi's again.
Actually, it's my first
Hoodie jacket.
hoodie jacket. Oh, sorry, bro.
It's fine.
Me dispiace. Oh. Because I don't have to wear hoodie
In
and
Thailand.
sweater and any jacket in Thailand. Yeah, so I don't have. So I just buy here.
She's very picky. You know, she said, "Oh, I want a structure, a jacket, a thick one, and a good
It's
color.
hard to find the good silhouette on
Good
you know?
silhouette, la 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 la."
Yeah.
Something like that, you know. So we searched for this hoodie jacket for like 3 months, 4 months.
That's too long.
It's really cool.
Yeah, it's like bleach.
Mm.
It's like a little bit velvet texture, I think.
And it's woman's wear, but you know when I wear this one, so cool. I look like a Justin Bieber. I think this jacket is for like spring or autumn, no winter because it's not thick enough.
Winter, just styling, just do layering.
Yeah. Inside you have to wear more. It's quite cool. I think I wear this jacket is better than you. Okay, yeah. Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber.
Next one.
You know you love me. You know you can.
This is a Levi's trucker western jacket. I like the color denim, you know, because I'm a denim lover, so I need to have a denim jacket more. I don't have any jacket with this material with denim and this color. It's really like a western cowboy, like hee-haw, something like that. Hee-haw. And this one is also a Levi's premium. So the fabric is really durable. Okay, I like the line on the back of the jacket, this one. I think this is the like their famous iconic seagull line, right? I remember something like that. When you see people wear this jacket on the street and you don't need to see the Levi's, recognize this line and you can, oh, this is Levi's. It's not too long, the band is perfect. It's like chill lah, okay? Western cowboy now. Hey, do you think it's good on me?
Of course.
Right?
Yeah.
You know why?
I know. 一架势.
See, this is the first Levi's jacket I bought in my whole life. So Levi's, please contact me, okay? I need more Levi's things. I really love the item from your brand. See, next one. Oh yeah. Also Levi's now. Oh my god.
This is cool.
This is so cool.
It looks like nothing, but there's a little topping here. I love this. Oh my god, it's a silver, but
Yeah, here, so cool. This one, so cool. I really love this one. I really love this one. The name of this shirt is Levi's Woman Western shirt. So it's woman wear. I wear size L, so it's not very cropped.
the length is perfect.
Like this, then like here, okay? Here they do a curve here. This is the first shirt in my life.
First,
Yes, first shirt. Yes.
you are a man. You should have shirt.
But actually this is not like very shirt, right? Because it's not formal, it's more casual.
Casual.
Yeah, more casual. Even you wear whole back, but you have the silver accessories here. So it will be look dang bro. And this one is very cool. It's made with Tencel Lyocell, eco-friendly fabric. How would you rate when I wear this shirt?
10.
Why?
It's good because you're good for the shirt,
Mm-hmm.
but you never bought, so I really don't understand why. Actually, you know, personally, I like black. I like denim. I like bleach. I like silver. So this is perfect.
So it's not because I wear it.
It also, if you wear, it's 10. Because if I only see this one in a cloth hanger, okay, this is cool.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're a good sale. You pass. And I also like the button here. It's a little bit crystal.
Really?
I super hate the shirt with buttons. You have to like damn. So,
it is just like
yeah, this one is super fast. You know, like just yeah, like this. You know, look, rate like 10 of 10. Skirt up, super skirt.
Ayo.
I call it diesel dumpling bag.
This is from the fall winter 2025 collection because there's a little bit detail here.
I really don't get it. Sorry, I really don't get it. Why they use one hair clip here? What the hell? You know, like what the what? And you know when she buy this one and she said, oh, because this is so cute. So yeah, I want to buy.
You have to see. There's diesel logo here.
And it's metal.
And the material is so good. It's very good. Hey, and why they put here? Because girl, we usually put hair clip in the back like this. It's
Free
a
gift.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
It's a large silhouette along the zip, the wrinkle here, like dumpling. And now it's trendy, I think. this shape, this silhouette of bag is heavy, it's quite heavy. Yeah,
They design like a build.
I really like this one.
One time I like this.
One.
She walk. And she's like, what's up? This one is like king. The glass door. Like king.
Any metal door, something, because it's heavy and it will bang, 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 bang. Oh my god.
And I was like, oh, baby.
Yeah, I cannot walk like, like this. I have to walk piano.
Yeah, but this is really hurt. It's really hurt, you know.
It means what? Quality. Please buy.
Please
And
buy.
this is small size.
Like they have like two
Two
sizes.
or three
Yeah.
size.
Big one, they really big one. Let me see what did you
I
put
love.
inside. You put inside?
Oops. Oops.
Oops, I did it again.
Next one is the Diesel keychain. I love keychain and I love this one from Diesel. And there's like some charms here. Very cute. I love, it's like a bling bling bling. It's so sad.
Guys, guess how much is it? Guess. Give you 3 seconds.
90 euro.
Who will fucking buy this one like a euro? 靠背哦，90 euro 哎。
Because it's it's Diesel.
She's insane, you know. 90 euro. What? When she buy this one, and I said, okay, don't ask me, don't look at me. If you want to buy, just buy.
And he said, oh, yeah, this is cute. I'm their target group,
Yeah. How would you rate this keychain? 1 to 10. Comment below, let me know. Next one. Ta-da! This is my number 4 item. Vintage pants. Ooh, 小啊. I would say this is my first time to try this kind of things because as you guys can see, it's a bootcut pants.
Yeah, and the detail. And the flower!
Yeah, the detail here. And they do some stripes, sew on the pants here. They just sew one more layers on it. Yeah, here you can see. And the waist here also have the stripe here.
It's like a traditional pattern something. It's like a local customized jean thing.
Yeah,
something
it's
like
very
that.
cool. And here is a small mirror. I don't know why they put the mirror here, but
Mirror?
yeah, it's mirror.
Ayo.
Like this.
And we cannot distinguish. They will see your ass or their face.
yeah, something like that. And this one I bought super cheap, 32 euro. And when I post on my Instagram, many people ask me like, oh, where did you buy these pants? And the shape is super cool. So I think I need to introduce about this one.
And people on the street also ask, I like your pants. Like
Yeah, when we went to Greece, I wear this one, and there's one girl walk by me and she said, ooh, nice pants, bro. She's like this.
And I noticed many people just looked at his pants.
Yeah.
I really like it. It's outstanding.
Many people are talking about bootcuts is coming back. Yeah.
Not baggy jeans.
So I really appreciate myself here because I have a very good eyes. Like you know.
I know.
Right? Next one.
Bravo.
Ta-da! Hey, Lakers hat from Mitchell and Ness. Yeah, I like the color combination of beige and the purple. And this purple is not like a very vivid purple, okay?
Because it's like 30% purple.
Yeah.
It's a good combination color with the green inside, and the color palette of green is very perfect. Everything with the badge, with the silver embroidery, everything is perfect.
Okay, I finished. Next one, Bob. As a Lakers fans, okay, not Warriors this year. R.I.P. Luka Doncic, Austin Reeves. Sorry about that, and LeBron James. Always a goal. Yes. The structure here is quite hard. When you wear on it, you can see it's like a baseball cap here. This here is hard. Yeah. So your head would be like a little bit taller and bigger. Yeah. Next one, we're gonna show you guys some Milano Cortina things.
Olympic collection.
Winter Olympic in Milano for this year.
Bravo!
Fortunately, we went to see a competition for ice hockey.
Only ice.
Super excited.
Super good, huh?
Yeah, first experience, you know. So we bought some souvenirs.
I got 2 brooches. So cute. Because they are 2 different characters. It's a girl, I don't know her name, and it's a boy.
Milo.
Milo and who? Who are you? Milo and Tina. And I also got the mini puzzle.
Tina also.
Tina.
Oh, she's Tina? Oh, okay.
Yeah, Tina and Milo.
It's very cute. Yeah, and I bought this one. So mine is Milo.
Tina.
Oh, mine is Tina. I bought a small. Yeah, this is not the cool things, but it's cute. So
It's like a memorable thing.
yeah, I want to share. I also bought one T-shirt, more sporty fabric. It's quite elastic, you know. I like the crew neck here with the Italia flags color, green, white, red. So cute. And here with the Emperor Armani Olympic Italia logo, and on the back you have a big Italia.
Because we think, okay, we've been here for like 1 year, but we
Yeah.
don't have any products.
You can represent
the
Milano or
Italy.
Italy. Yeah.
It's
Italia
like-
Forza! You bought the white one or black one?
White.
Oh, you bought the white one. Okay, yeah. She bought white one. I think Italian, they are quite passionate when you watch the competition. They were like, oh mamma mia, causa.
They are good participants, you know.
Yeah, the vibe here is super
No
good.
phone, just like
Oh
vibe,
yeah,
like that.
yeah.
Italia.
Italia.
I like them.
Yeah,
It's
they're
like when
super
I
interesting.
watch concert.
Actually, this T-shirt I want to bought from my dad because it's a Armani things, and I think he will fit with this T-shirt. Yeah, let's ask him when I go back. See. Finito. See. As always, which is your favorite item for this video?
I would say my bag, my diesel bag.
Oh, no, Zadig yeah.
Because I can put more things than the Zadig bag.
For me, I would say this shirt is too cool, super cool on me, and I think I can attract some girls when I wear this one to the bar, like, hey girl, can I
Hey
keep your
girl.
Instagram? Yeah, something like that, so yeah, I like it. For the next video is our last final episode in Milano. Damn, we're gonna go back, damn bro. Yeah, so
Yeah.
stay tuned, okay? Stay tuned.
It's gonna be our last episode together.
See. What does it mean? You must watch
Please watch.
for the next unboxing video. Okay, ciao, arrivederci.
Arrivederci.
Bye.